Ever been stuck in a crucial meeting or rushing to catch a train and your work call rings on the wrong device? You know, that moment of panic when you're scrambling to transfer the call, or worse, missing it entirely? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into a solution that can save you from that very predicament. We're talking about 8x8 work and how to seamlessly move an active call between your devices. Now, 8x8 work is a powerful communication platform designed to keep you connected wherever you are. But its flexibility can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to quickly manage an active call. The ability to move a call from your desktop to your mobile, or vice versa, is a game changer. It means you can transition smoothly without interrupting the flow of your conversation. Think of it, you're working on your computer deep in a project and a client calls. You answer on your 8x8 work desktop app. Then you realize you need to step out, grab something from the printer, or even head to a meeting room. Do you hang up? Do you ask the client to call back later? Absolutely not. You transfer the call to your mobile, continue the conversation while you walk, and maintain that professional, uninterrupted connection. Or imagine you start a call on your mobile while commuting. You get back to your desk, ready to dive into some serious work, and you want to switch to your computer for a better audio and visual experience. Again, 8x8 work has you covered. So, how exactly do you pull off this seemingly magical device hopping? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand the foundation. 8x8 work uses your user account to tie all your devices together. This means that as long as you're logged in with the same credentials across your desktop, mobile, and even tablet, the system recognizes you and your active calls. This is crucial for seamless call transfer. Now, let's start with transferring a call from your desktop to your mobile. This is a common scenario, and 8x8 work makes it relatively straightforward. Ensure you're logged in. Make sure you're logged into the 8x8 work app on both your desktop and your mobile device using the same credentials. This is the bedrock of the whole process. Locate the active call. On your desktop app, you'll see the active call displayed. It's usually prominently visible in the call window or the active calls list. Use the Move to Mobile feature. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Move to Mobile or a similar button or icon. It might be represented by a phone icon with an arrow pointing to a mobile device. The exact location and appearance can vary slightly depending on your 8x8 work version. Confirm the transfer. Once you click the Move to Mobile button, your mobile device will receive a notification or prompt. You'll need to accept the transfer on your mobile to continue the call. Continue the conversation. The call will now be active on your mobile device, and you can continue your conversation without interruption. Now, let's flip the scenario. Transferring a call from your mobile to your desktop. This is equally useful, especially when you need a more immersive experience or access to desktop tools during a call. Ensure you're logged in. Again, the same credentials across both devices are essential. Locate the active call. On your mobile app, you'll see the active call displayed. Use the Move to Desktop feature. Look for the Move to Desktop or a similar option. It might be hidden within the call options or menus. Confirm the transfer. Your desktop app will receive a notification or prompt. Accept the transfer on your desktop. Continue the conversation. The call will now be active on your desktop, and you can utilize the larger screen and better audio. Let's address some common issues and best practices. Network stability. A reliable internet connection is crucial. If your network is unstable, the transfer might fail or the call quality might suffer. Ensure both your desktop and mobile devices are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. App updates. Keep your 8x8 work apps updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can enhance the call transfer experience. Device compatibility. While 8x8 work is designed to be cross-platform, there might be slight variations in functionality depending on your device's operating system or hardware. Check 8x8's official documentation for compatibility details. Permissions. Ensure that your 8x8 work app has the necessary permissions on both your desktop and mobile devices. This includes access to your microphone, camera, and phone functionalities. Headsets and peripherals. When transferring calls, be mindful of your headsets and other peripherals. If you're using a Bluetooth headset on your desktop, ensure it's also paired with your mobile device if you intend to continue using it. Now, let's talk about some advanced tips and tricks. Did you know that 8x8 work also allows you to transfer calls to other users? This can be incredibly useful for team collaboration. For example, if you receive a call that's better handled by a colleague, you can transfer it directly to their 8x8 work account. To transfer a call to another user, while on the active call, look for the transfer or forward option. Select the user. You can either search for the user's name or number or select them from your contacts list. Choose the transfer method. You can choose between a blind transfer, transferring the call without speaking to the recipient, or a warm transfer, speaking to the recipient before transferring the call. Complete the transfer, confirm the transfer, and the call will be routed to the selected user. Additionally, 8x8 work offers call parking, which allows you to put a call on hold and retrieve it from any device. This can be useful for situations where you need to temporarily pause a call and continue it later. To park a call, while on the active call, look for the park option. Note the park location. 8x8 work will assign a park location or extension number. To retrieve the call, dial the park location or extension number from any device logged into your 8x8 work account. These advanced features enhance 8x8 work's flexibility and make it an even more powerful communication tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.